learn your bass part. First of all, you need to put those snare sticks down when you play bass. Your part is 1 Indiana, 2 Indiana, 3 Indiana, and 4 Indiana. Dude, just play the part.
Here we go with these easy parts again.
I know, right?
All right. Who can tell me the stick height for the taps?
5. The answer is 3.
Right. Now, even though you guys are playing a tenor drum, your part is just as important as the snare drum part.
What? That's not true.
What do you mean it's not true?
If it were true, then why did the snares get all the good parts? If it were true, then why did the snares get all the good parts?